Hi everyone, today we're going to be going over the assembly instructions to assemble your space trailer. Tools needed: 3 people, utility knife, number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, scissors, 3/4 inch wrench, 1/2 inch wrench, tin snips, gloves, and eye protection. Step 1. Using a sharp knife, carefully cut the plastic shrink wrapping around the trailer. Be careful not to scratch the trailer. Step 2. Remove all accessories, tongue, and if included, spare tire and space bars. Step 3. Use tin snips to cut the metal straps securing the trailer to the pallet. Caution: you must have 2 people holding the trailer when the metal straps are cut. Step 4. With 2 people, carefully lift and remove the canopy from the trailer and set to the side. Step 5. Retrieve the box of the hardware inside the space trailer. Enclosed, you will find your paperwork, wire harness, manual, and assembly hardware. Step 6. Loosen and remove the nut and the bolt securing the 2x4 to the pallet. Caution: the following steps can be dangerous and will require a minimum of 3 people. Step 7. Have 2 of the 3 people tip the trailer back slightly so the 2x4 at the front can be pulled out and dislodged. Step 8. With the 3 people in front of the trailer, slowly tip it forward using the 2x4 as a support rod. Slowly inch the 2x4 forward until the trailer is fully lowered. Step 9. Loosen and remove the nut and the bolt securing the 2x4 to the front of the trailer. Remove the 2x4. Step 10. Insert wiring harness into the tongue of the trailer. Step 11. Locate the tongue, nuts, bolts, and washers from the hardware box. Step 12. With 2 people holding the front sides of the trailer, attach the tongue to the tongue brackets and insert bolts into the tongue. Using 2 3/4 inch wrenches, tighten bolts until at least 3 threads are visible through the nut and washer. Once tightened, wheel jack can now be used to hold front of the trailer. Step 13. Connect the wire harness and the tongue to the wire harness on the trailer. Pull remaining slack through the front of the tongue. Varying tongue lengths will have varying length of slack. Step 14. On the inside of the trailer, cut the zip ties that are holding the gas cylinders. Step 15. Locate the canopy bolts and washers in the hardware box. Place them inside of the trailer. Step 16. Chalk tires. Step 17. Have 2 people lift the sides of the canopy and 1 person line up the 3 canopy brackets to the holes. Step 18. Insert each bolt and washer by hand, and once all are hand tightened, finish tightening with a 1/2 inch wrench until snug. Step 19. With 2 people lifting the back of the canopy, attach each cylinder to the canopy brackets. Step 20. Install the spring clips into the strut ball holes, then rotate the clip to lock it in the groove under the strut ball. Step 21. Now that the gas cylinders are attached, close the canopy and fasten 2 latches on the back.